Oh, I'm so excited that it is Friday. Gosh dang, it's been a long week, guys. What's going on? This is MotoSarge signing in. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for a quick errand. I'm gonna run over to Academy. It's been a chaotic week around the house, and this weekend I'm gonna take my son, my oldest boy, Wyatt. We're gonna go fishing in the morning tomorrow, and then ride some dirt bikes.
Hard work, bringing on the doors in the morning. Hard work, work up, and let's go to work.
All right, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive email alerts when I upload some new content. Looks like, oh, I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, I definitely screwed up my gas caps and fuel gauge the other day. Dropped something on the tank. Luckily, it didn't hit the tank, but dented that all up. Got to replace that, which is a bummer, but can't be mad at anybody but myself. Stupid mistake. It's been a long week, man. Really busy with work. Haven't really had the ability to get behind the lens of my camera, and I haven't really been on the bike all that much either. I don't know about you guys, but you know, some things that I get from riding my motorcycle or from photography is hard to put into words, and that kind of leads me into what I wanted to talk to you guys about as we just ride through Columbus, running this quick errand to grab my son some fishing equipment for our day tomorrow. Now, the motorcycle community, there's a heavy veteran community within this two-wheel community, and I think, you know, it has the ability to help a lot of us veterans in ways that we really don't have on our minds when we get out of service or when we're serving. You know, it's definitely something that that I've grown to really appreciate, especially being out here on the trail of recruiting and kind of away from, you know, your normal traditional military unit and brotherhood that you get within that unit and the op tempo and all that kind of stuff. But what I've noticed is, you know, the motorcycle community kind of resembles a lot of what we have within our community, our brothers and sisters of arms. Just wanted to talk to you about that because, you know, a lot of times someone exits service and it's hard to find a way to adapt and reintegrate into the community, the society. And what better way than some wind therapy, right? I mean, you could kind of get out and get away and ride on your own and just kind of relax. That's what I like to do a lot of, like, especially after a busy week, busy day. I tend to want to hop on a bike and just go let loose, go let the mind just clear, get me reset back to zero, because I don't have the ability to allow, you know, additional outside stress to affect me as a husband, as a father. I just got to kind of, you know, take it on the chin, move on, and try to forget, you know, what stresses were on my chest throughout the week when I walk in the door of the house, because it's not fair to my kids. Riding my motorcycle, like today, I was able to, you know, bring the bike to work, and I feel that on days like today, when I'm able to ride to, even if it's just to and from work, when I get home, I'm much more of a patient individual with my kids, and I just feel like I'm a better parent. But something about just getting on here and riding, throwing on some tunes sometimes, or even rolling a video for you guys, it's therapeutic for me, and it kind of allows me to let loose of the day-to-day grind. You know, we're all so caught up in what's going on, especially right now with like the election and our jobs, or what the future looks like for the United States of America. And you know, there's just some things that we need to kind of hold on to when it comes to receiving some sort of therapeutic outlet. I just like to do both with photography and motorcycles, and long weeks, I notice, you know, my stress level is a little bit higher, my patience is a lot thinner, and once I'm able to get on the bike, get behind the lens of my camera, it's almost like that's all I need. And even if it's like a 15-20 minute ride, or just grabbing the camera for 20 minutes and just taking pictures of the kids playing outside, it reminds me what truly is important. And that's probably why I like riding by myself with no music or not really rolling a video, because I tend to get inside my own head when I ride, and there's a lot of things, you know, that I'm thinking about, and it allows me to get past a lot of stress. Now, some other ways I think you know, the motorcycle community could, you know, impact the veteran community out there is the more and more vets that ride, the more and more brotherhood and sisterhood you're going to get outside of the uniform, because, you know, our time is going to come to an end in our service, whether we like it or not. or, you know, if we choose to leave or the military choose to push us out the door. Now, when you're back in society, you know, it's kind of hard to find people that you can relate with, especially with, you know, deployments and the military training and everything that we go through as servicemen and women. But with motorcycles, you're gonna find a heavy influence within the motorcycle community that are veterans, so it's easy to kind of find people to relate to and kind of share the same passion. Get out, ride, just let loose, and have, you know, those battle buddies to your left and right that enjoy the same thing you do. I've met a lot of people through my motorcycle that are veterans that I would have never met, you know, in my career or even in my life if it wasn't for two wheels. Like one, you know, that I would like to mention right now, and he just hit 1,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and I'm sure you guys know him because he works hand in hand with John Maxwell. But Clay, I would have never met Clay, you know, if it wasn't for motovlogging or Harley Davidsons and John Maxwell. And that's just something, you know, that I wanted to kind of express here in this video is you meet some really unique and cool individuals. I got to go in here and get some gas, guys, but I don't think I'm going to do it. It's too busy. What do you guys say? Drop in the comments. If you pull into a gas station, you see a line like this and you're on your motorcycle, do you wait in it or do you ride to the next one? Ah, look at that. Another motorcycle guy. All right, I'm going to fill up, guys, and I'll catch up with you in a sec. Nice bike. Appreciate it, man. What year is this? It's a 2016. Thanks, man. Yeah, I was hesitant to do those when I first got them, but I'm glad I did. It kind of pops. Oh, yeah. It definitely pops. The bike just stand out. It does. It's nice because you see a lot of Harleys on the road, so it's like, how can I be a little different? Yeah. What are these, 10? 14s. 14s. Yeah, 14s. And then I ended up swapping out the risers because they were like 4-inch risers that are in here normally. So those are like inch and a half. And then these are about 14s. I would probably go a little lower, honestly, the next time. Yeah. Because longer rides, my shoulders start to kind of... Well, I have a 48 Triumph 650 Tiger. Oh, do you really? Yeah. Nice. 2-inch risers with 16s. So oh, dang, you got your hands in the air, yeah. Yeah, that's a sick-ass bike, bro. Thanks, man. Hey, don't have too much fun with it, okay? I won't. Never. Hey, you too. Absolutely. Now, see, that leads me to another point, guys. As you can tell, I just pulled into the gas station to fill up, right? And I don't know what told me to kind of leave. Normally I kill my GoPro because I don't carry any additional batteries or anything like that with me, but I was like, you know what, I'm being lazy, I'm just gonna leave the GoPro on. Ended up, you know, sparking a conversation with one of the guys that works there at the gas station, and he rides, and just kind of having that, you know, dialogue with somebody. And that's something you don't get. I mean, driving a car or a truck, I mean, people aren't going to come up to you and talk to you as much. I mean, unless, you know, your car or truck souped up and they're into that kind of thing. But with motorcycles, like if you see a nice bike or you see something that you like, it's a conversation starter. And it's super cool to talk to a wide variety of individuals that love to ride. And with society the way it is now, man, I really appreciate anybody that wants to come up and talk and just be good humans, right? Just talk and learn more about one another and kind of share experiences, share what we ride. And that guy there, that's sick, man. That Indian was bad. And although we may be into different style bikes, it's still like we could appreciate, you know, any motorcycle, especially when you take the time to mod your bike out. I mean, we all do our own mods based off of what we want to see on our bikes and stuff like that, but it does kind of help the ego a little bit when somebody acknowledges all the work you did to your bike. So that was pretty cool. I'm gonna take off slow here at the light, guys, because I really want to see. I think this is the Indian Springfield. I'm not too good at the Indian models, but I really like this color. It's like an OD green. That's kind of over my left shoulder. I don't know if you guys could catch it in the Hero 4 off the bars or not, discreetly. Don't want to let an Indian rider know that I'm admiring his bike. I'm only kidding, guys. Two wheels is two wheels. I care less what you ride, just get out and ride. Oh, he wants to race, man. Let's have some fun, bro, go. Now, I could dig something like that's in front of me, man. I would really have some fun on that. It's got some bags, it's still naked up front. I've been really eyeing that Road King Special, kind of similar to that bike. But yeah, motorcycle community, man, is just something that really, you know, has helped me a lot. Met a lot of people over in Alabama when I first bought my bike, and really rode with the American Legion riders out there, and it was just kind of cool to meet all them. A lot of them were veterans too. All right, Academy, huh? Where are we gonna park? I ain't gonna park by him because that's just not cool. That's what we'll do. Parking out in the open. But all right, guys, I'm gonna run into Academy, grab Wyatt some stuff for our fishing trip this weekend, and I will catch up with you guys in a sec. All right, guys, got Wyatt's couple plastic worms, some new hooks. I don't know where we're going, and I don't know what the water looks like, so we'll see. Hopefully he can catch some fish. He always enjoys to go out and fish with his friends and stuff, which is cool. I think that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I mean, real quick one, kind of like a lunchtime rip. It's been a while since I've done this, and I just really wanted to kind of get on the bike and ride a little bit and enjoy this beautiful day. But now I'm gonna hop on the bike ride home, and I feel like listening to my Plex audio. So if you guys like today's video, be sure to click that like icon. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button right here. And if you'd rather stick around and watch a few more of my videos, I'll throw up a video here and here. Like always, guys, I really appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning in to another video. And this is MotoSarge signing out.